Alright guys, so we gotta take off this fan in order to get some space and get under the hoses and get to the flange. You're gonna need a 10mm socket just to get to the 2 bolts. And yeah, so now we'll get to the fan and we'll put the new flange on. Alright guys, so mine's a little different. I do have the CSF radiator, and we got some bolts that are down there. I would have to take out my charge pipe and stuff just to get to it, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna already got this zip tied, so it's out of the way. Taking off the zip ties on the O2 sensors and my electrical sensors here. Just get everything out the way, and then I'll be able to reach the flange, which is right there, and we should be okay. There we go guys, we got enough room to get in there. The flange is just plastic, it broke off. It's been on the car since 2010, so yep, we're gonna change it out for the middle one. 2 10mm bolts, and that's it. It should be good. So hopefully I got enough room. I think I do, and we should be good. Not too bad, guys. We got the bolts off now, and we just have to pry it off, and then we'll put the new one. Damn, 10 years on the car. I've never changed it, guys. I've had the car for 3 years. 2010. Check it out, guys. Corroded. This is about, see, this is 2010, we're in 2022. That's 12 years of having this fucking part. And I'm probably gonna change it. Take out the onion. I'm gonna clean it up right now with the wire brush. Brush it out. Man, look at this. Yeah, guys, look at this shit. BMW. I don't know if this is gonna focus, but bro, this shit is OEM as fuck. That shit is crazy. 12 fucking years, guys. Once you guys get an N54, you guys gotta swap this out ASAP. Just, you know, it's gonna, you won't have a lot of issues, or this won't happen to you guys going to an event or something. But yeah. I'm gonna just put this on real quick, and then we'll put it back together and we should be done. Opened up, she's good to go. New flange is in there. You guys can see we just added some coolant, so let's start it up.